Good morning, my dear students. Now, once again, we want to do some more problems in quadratic equation. They are word problems. Look at here. The length of a rectangle is better you write the problem. The length of a rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the breadth. 1 centimeter more than twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice the breadth. Area of rectangle is 10 centimeter square. 10 square centimeter. 10 centimeter square. Is it completed? Length of a rectangle is 1 centimeter more than twice the breadth. Area of the rectangle is 10 centimeter square. Find length and breadth. That's the question. So let us see the rectangle. You know what is rectangle? And the smaller side is breadth. Length is 1 centimeter more than 2 times. The 2x plus 1. 2x twice plus 1. 2 times plus 1. 1 more than 2 times. Is it all? Now that's the figure. And you know what is the area? Area equal to length into breadth. So area equal to x into 2x plus 1, and that is given as 10. Is it clear? Multiply it. X into 2x, 2x square, x into 1, 1x equal to 10. Is it clear? Remove the bracket, x into 2x, 2x square, x into 1. So 10 taken to the left side is 2x square plus x minus 10 equal to 0. Is it clear? And you know a equal to 2, b is equal to 1x, and c is equal to minus 10. Are you ready to complete it? A, B, C. Now use quadratic formula. You know quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus 1. B square 1 square. 4 into a equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 10 divided by 2a, 2 into 2. Is it clear? Are you ready? Minus 1 plus or minus root 1 square is 1. Minus into minus plus 4 into 2 into 10, 80 divided by 2 into 4. Clear? And here minus 1 plus or minus 1 plus 80, 81 divided by 4. Clear? Get it out? This quadratic formula application. Then root of 81 is 9. So minus 1 plus 9 by 4, and another answer minus 1 minus 9. One of the root is positive, other root is negative. Root 81 is 9. 9 minus 1, 8 by 4, it is positive. Okay? Here it is minus 10 by 4. If you divide up, you get 2, and that number is 5 by 2. Is it clear? So length or breadth, they are measurements. They are always positive. So breadth equal to 2. Look at here. This is a positive number. Breadth equal to 2 centimeter. Breadth equal to 2 centimeter. Length 2x plus 1 is 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5 centimeter. You remember that? Is it all? One more. The sum of squares, better you write with me. The sum of squares of two consecutive even numbers is 100. The sum of squares of two consecutive even numbers is 100. What are the numbers? That's the question. Sum of squares of two consecutive even numbers is 100. What are the numbers? The difference between two consecutive even numbers is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. The difference between that 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, etc. So, difference between two consecutive even numbers is 10. So, if one number is x, automatically the other number is x plus 2. Let the numbers are x and x plus 2. Even if it is odd number, then also the difference is 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. means difference is 2. So the numbers are x and x plus 2. Is it all? And the given data is sum of the squares. So x square plus x plus 2 whole square is given as 100. Sum of the squares is 100. Here it is x square. You studied it is a plus 2 whole square. X square plus 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 square, 4. Remember? A plus 2 whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's equal to 100. Is it clear? X square plus x square is 2x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 100. And you see all the numbers are even numbers. So whenever you divide it by 2, you get x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to 100 divided by 2 equal to 50. All the numbers are divisible by 2. All of them are even numbers. And take this to the left side. 2x square plus 2x plus 2 minus 50 equal to 0. Now the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 2x. This number is minus 48 equal to 0. Subtract the smaller one from the larger one. Put the sign of the larger one. Is it clear? I am sorry, this is not 2x square. Here it is x square, isn't it? It is x square. Yeah? X square plus 2x plus 2 minus 50 equals 0. It is x square. Is it not? Now use quadratic formula. You remember quadratic formula? A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to minus 48. X is equal to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC by 2. Are you ready? Minus B minus 2. B square 2 square. 4 into A is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 48 by 2 into A is equal to 1. Is it clear the substitution? This is the formula, this is a substitution. Minus 2 plus or minus root 2 square is 4. Minus into minus is plus. And if you multiply it, you get 192. 4 into 48, 192. 2 into 1 equal to 2. Is it clear? $192 plus 4 is 196 divided by 2. Are you ready? Then complete it. Root of 196 is 40. Root 196 is 14. So, minus 2 plus 14 by 2, one of the answer. Minus 2 minus 14 by 2, another answer. 14 minus 2 is 12 divided by 2. And that is minus 14 divided by 2. Here 12 divided by 2 is 6. And that number is negative 7. Remember, in the question it is given sum of two consecutive even natural numbers. Natural number. So the answers are, just wait. 14 minus 2 is minus 16. Okay, minus 16 by 2, negative 8 at all. Negative 8. Is it all? So the numbers are, one of the answer is 6 and other answer is 8. ഇവിടെ 14 2 16 നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പർ ആകുമ്പോൾ 6x എടുത്താൽ 6 2 8. ഇസ് ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? ഇനി ഈ ടൈപ്പ് വേർഡ് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് കുറച്ച് തരാം കേട്ടോ. ഇനി വേറൊരു കാര്യം, നിങ്ങൾ നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീക്കിൽ ക്ലാസ് ഞാൻ സൂമിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗൂഗിൾ മീറ്റിലോ ആയിരിക്കും തരുന്നുണ്ടാവും കേട്ടോ. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് ടൈം ഒരു ലേറ്റ് ആഫ്റ്റർ 6:30 ഓർ ആഫ്റ്റർ 7 ഒക്കെ തരും കേട്ടോ. അത് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ഐ ഡി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പാസ് ചെയ്യാം. അതായിരിക്കും നല്ലത്. കുറച്ചും കൂടെ പ്രോബ്ലം നീങ്ങുകയും ചെയ്യും. മാത്രമല്ല നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അത് ഗ്രാസ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ എളുപ്പമായി, പെട്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവും. ഡൗട്ട്സുകൾ ചോദിക്കാം, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് നമുക്ക് ഡൗട്ട്സും ചോദിക്കാം, ഡൗട്ട്സും ക്ലിയർ ചെയ്യാം. നിങ്ങൾ വില്ലിംഗ് ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്. ഐ വിൽ ഗിവ് യു ദ ഹോം അസൈൻമെന്റ്സ് ലേറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ.